You wanna go in here? Do a pool? We're literally in creative mode right now. Hey, let's do a pool from the dig. Do a pool, but stand still.